Hi there, in this video we're going to cover the idea of focus at court and keeping on track and being prepared for the unexpected. So family courts, I would observe, as somebody who supports litigants in person through court hearings for child arrangements and had successfully navigated myself as a parent. They're very much based on the idea of being really clear about who you are as a parent, how you meet your children's needs, and also what kind of response you have to the either controlling or anxious or restrictive co-parenting that the other person is trying to implement post-separation. So obviously being focused on the right criteria when you attend a court hearing is great. Staying on track and not being emotionally thrown by the proceedings or the glare of going to a court hearing are also really important dynamics to be self-aware about. How are you going to feel in that situation, and is it going to trigger you? Is it going to make you feel uncomfortable? Are you going to feel threatened or thrown by a lawyer speaking to you outside of court? Or are you going to be shaken by the idea of speaking to a perceived authority figure at the time when you're trying to argue your case? Are you going to be thrown by being questioned in a allegatory way from a social worker? Is that going to throw you? Are you going to feel defensive? These are all great things to ask yourself emotionally when you're thinking about trying to get a child arrangements order, or even if you're having to respond to, say, something like a non-molestation order or occupation order. Sometimes these orders are connected, and so typically if you'd like me to help you be a litigant in person, if you need a little bit of hand holding or support on the shoulder, however you want to term put words on it, this is the kind of thing I do. I like to help people achieve positive outcomes. I tune in to where they're at and how they want to present their case, and then I help them supercharge how they present themselves and prepare for such events, such as court hearings, with their paperwork, getting it to a high standard, making the right child-focused arguments, and then attending the court hearing to help you negotiate with lawyers, speak to social workers before the court hearing, and then make your case to a judge and argue your case as effectively as possible. So I hope this is all helpful to you as a litigant in person, and I'm sending you my love and strength for a positive outcome in family courts. Thanks for watching.